Hey guys, this is April. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be giving you a quick tutorial on how you can create these DIY mirrored perfume bottles. I was inspired by Dazzling Designs by Denise on YouTube, and this is how I did mine. So I took some 8x10 Dollar Tree mirrors. I think that's the size of them. And I pretty much just lined them up on this styrofoam. I didn't have the blocks like she had, the wooden blocks from the Dollar Tree. And I found some foam board, and this is what it looked like. After I was done gluing them down to the foam board, and this was the first look I did before I transitioned and added the perfume logos. So I wanted to kind of customize them and make them into my own. I loved them the first way, it wasn't a problem, but I just kind of wanted to add my own touch, and this is how I hung them up on my wall because I don't have a headboard, and I wanted to decorate and, give my room that, fancy looking touch. And then this is when I decided to get some printouts. So you just want to go on your computer, go online, get some logos. I took my Elmer's glue and some craft glitter. And then I just shook it on there, applied it all to the letters, and then I shook the excess glitters off, and this is how they look. So I did the same thing with the Chanel bottle. I did the same thing with the Viva La Juicy, and then I gotta have Rihanna, black owned brand. So the Crushes by Rihanna, I tried to put a bow on there and glue the bow down so that can resemble the Viva La Juicy bottles. Pretty much that's how it is, hanging on the wall. With those, I didn't even need, I just pressed the foam against the nails that I applied in the wall, and it just hung up just like that. Like it stayed secure on the nails from the foam board when I pressed the foam up against the nails. And this is how it looked. I was so pleased with the final results. I do need to clean off my mirror, so please don't judge me. I know they probably got fingerprints and handprints and stuff all over it, but you just get some Windex or whatever window cleaner you prefer, some paper towels, and wipe them down. And easy peasy. Didn't cost a lot of money. If you want to check out Dazzling Designs by Denise, her YouTube page, you can go ahead and see how she created it. It's more details and more in depth. Like I said, I didn't use the wooden sticks like she did, but I did use foam board, and I just measured it down and cut off and glued my mirrors down on the foam. Now you got a rectangle shaped one, a square one, and a circle one, as you guys can see. So anyways, like I was saying, hope you guys like my mirrors. Give this video a big thumbs up, like and subscribe, share, and don't forget to check out her page and see the way that she created it too. But like I said, it's always fun, to add your own touch. So if you want to create these bottles and add your own logos, let me know. Tag me, whatever. This was so super fun and super pretty, and I think I want to do some more, add to my vanity area for when I do my YouTube videos. What do you guys think?